Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question states, what is the nature of carbon atoms in alkanes? Let's understand this question with the basic key concept. So, as we know कि alkanes क्या होते हैं? Alkanes are saturated compounds. इसमें कोई unsaturation नहीं होती, no double bond is present. Hence, alkanes are regarded as saturation compounds. Principal source अगर हम alkane की बात करें, the principal source of alkane जहां से हम alkane obtain कर सकते हैं, that is petroleum. And alkane only have carbon-carbon bond, that is single bond in a molecule, and carbon-hydrogen bond, which make them covalent and also non-polar in nature. Non-polar है क्योंकि इसमें symmetrical electron distribution है, and basically symmetrical electronic distribution, and they have less electronegativity among them. Carbon में तो electronegativity का difference ही नहीं है. Carbon hydrogen में they have less electronegativity difference, due to which जो electron का pair है that is shared equally among both of them. So electron paired shared equally among both of them, making it non-polar. So let's understand कि क्या होगा nature of carbon atoms. So अगर alkanes non-polar है because of the covalent bond, electronegativity का difference बहुत कम है. So if the electronegativity difference is less, then we have to understand कि they are held only by weak van der Waals forces. So ये van der Waals forces से attached होते हैं, they are held together, and also they are known as London interactions. So these intermolecular forces जिससे ये held हैं, that is van der Waals forces, that depend on basically the size, or you can say the surface area of the molecule, and also the structure of the molecule. So van der Waals forces इस पे डिपेंड करती हैं कि क्या साइज है मॉलिक्यूल का या क्या स्ट्रक्चर है. अगर कार्बन 1 से कार्बन 4 की बात करी जाए, यहां हमको पता है कि साइज कम है तो सरफेस एरिया भी कम है, सरफेस एरिया कम है तो van der Waals forces आर मोर वीकर. सो वीक van der Waals forces हैं, इंटरैक्शंस वीक हैं, इंटरैक्शंस वीक होंगे, सो वी नो that weak intermolecular force of attractions, they are in gases, so they are in gases nature. So ये C1 से C4 हमको gases state में मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट अगर C5 से C17 की बात करी जाए, साइज थोड़ा बड़ा, मॉडरेट साइज है, तो इसका मतलब मॉडरेट इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होंगे. मॉडरेट फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की वजह से, एज वी नो दैट लिक्विड्स में मॉडरेट फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है, हेंस दे आर liquid in state, and more than 17 carbon atom, they all are solid in state. Why? Because they have more size की वजह से more interactions are there, hence they are very strongly bounded, and उनमें बीच में spaces नहीं है, gaps नहीं है, hence they are solid in state. So the nature of carbon atoms, the final answer to this question is that C1 to C4 carbon, they are gases. Then C5 to C17 carbon, they are liquid, and more than C17 carbon, they are solid. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.